It's all a matter of taste. So many flavors, none the same. Let me fix you up a plate, yeah. Here in the kitchen, it's great. So great. We can dream of what we like. We can mix it up and have a try. First we prep it, cut it, chop it up. Turn up the heat, and we flip it, grill it, toss it up. Just wait and see. I got the magic in the kitchen. Everything seasoned with love. Using my head and intuition. Cooking up meals people love. It's a tasty science, yummy too. So delicious, smelling good. Tell you what we got on the menu. Serving fresh and hot just for you. I got the magic in the kitchen. Cooking up meals people love. Oh, did I mention we bake? By the layer and the tray, making gorgeous pretty cakes, yeah. Pop on the ice and just away. Decorating every inch, and more sugar just a pinch. Yeah, let's crack it, pour it, blend it up till it's smooth like cream. Then we spread it, turn the oven on, bring on the heat. I got the magic in the kitchen, baking up treats people love. So versatile, it's true. All these ingredients and foods, using influence and culture to make something that's special. So measure out the goods and mix it like we should. Let's use our intuition.